Bishop, can you touch it? Can you touch it? Are you stuck? Well, get your foot out. Take it out. Whoa. What happened?
Mom, look what I can do.
Let me see what you can do. Wow. Okay, come here. Come here. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Bishop, give me your hand.